In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attendance tracker using Google Sheets. This is a fantastic tool for keeping track of attendance efficiently and effortlessly, especially if you're managing a team or a classroom. Let's get started. First off, open Google Sheets and start with a new blank sheet. This is your canvas for building the attendance tracker. Once you have that open, let's navigate to the range of cells from B2 to F13. Click and drag your cursor to highlight these cells. This foundational selection will serve as the main area where we'll input and track attendance. Next, move your attention to the top menu and click on Insert, a simple yet powerful function that will allow us to add interactive checkboxes. Once you've clicked on Insert, select Checkbox from the drop-down menu. You'll see a checkbox appear in each of the highlighted cells. These will be the interactive elements for marking attendance. Now, let's do some calculations to keep track of attendance results. Click on cell G2. This will be where we calculate the total days attended. In this cell, you'll need to type in the formula, equal COUNT-IF, B2, F2, true. What this formula does is count each ticked checkbox within that specified range as 1, essentially tallying up attendances. After typing the formula, hit Enter. You'll instantly see the result displayed in G2, giving you a count of how many classes or days attended for that row. To make things more efficient, use the autofill feature, a real time saver. Simply click on G2 again, notice the small square at its bottom right corner, and drag it downwards. This action will copy the formula down the column, applying it to the other rows automatically. Next, select cell H2. This is where we'll calculate the attendance percentage for the row. Type in the formula, equal COUNT-IF, B2, F2, true, divided by sum COUNT-IF, B2, F2, true, COUNT-IF, B2, F2, false. This formula calculates the portion of classes attended out of the total, giving a clear and precise percentage. Once that's done, hit Enter once more to apply the formula. Just like before, use the autofill feature by dragging the formula down the H column to apply this calculation across other rows. Finally, let's make this tracker interactive. Start clicking the checkboxes to mark attendance for each day. Watch as those numbers update automatically, reflecting real-time changes and giving you instant feedback on attendance rates. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a dynamic attendance tracker with Google Sheets. It's straightforward and incredibly useful for tracking attendance effortlessly. Feel free to customize and adapt the sheet further to fit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.